Hello guys, today I am going to show you Writo silk gel pens. Recently I shared my experience about this beautiful Writo silk ball pen on my YouTube channel, and some of my subscribers asked me, is Writo silk gel pen also available in market? So I am not sure that time, but yesterday I saw these pens on my local stationery shops, so I purchased it immediately. So today I am talking about this beautiful Writo silk gel pens. So let's get started. First of all, the in-hand feel of this Writo silk gel pen is premium. It looks classic and amazing in this metallic color. The clip is stiff as same as Writo silk ball pen. If you love springy clip pen, then this pen is not for you. Let's uncap it. It has plastic grip section. Anyways, it feels comfortable in hand. Now unscrew the barrel to see the refill, and it has same regular design gel refill of Writo model. Screw it back again. Let's post the cap. Yeah, it posts nicely and securely, and it looks super classic after posting the cap. Let's have some quick writing sample of this beautiful pen. So what we have a beautiful Writo silk gel pen. Probably it has a 0.7 mm point. It writes smooth, but it doesn't write as silk as mentioned. So this is a blue Writo gel silk, and let's check the black one. So this is a Writo black. You see a nice jet black. Let's some smudge test. Yeah, this pen smudge little bit. Let's check blue one also. Both smudge little bit. Let's check waterproof ink test. They provide 50 to 80% waterproofing. So overall, this is a good gel pen for ₹30. If you like stiff clip, then this pen is for you. And this pen is not write like silk as mentioned, but this pen looks good, writes good, and feel good. So please subscribe my channel for future pen related videos. See you in next video. Bye bye friends.